Hamilton, it's one of those cities where to get to the nice parts, sometimes you have to go through the rough parts first. It's not the prettiest city. It's not quaint or quiet, especially in this part of town. This is the industrial sector. You won't find this part of the city in any tourist brochures. It's loud and too dusty. The roads are shit. It smells like steel. But I love it here. You know, it reminds me that we don't always have to be on. We don't always have to be right. We don't always have to be pretty or proper. We just have to be ourselves.